Good afternoon. Thank you so much for the introduction. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
All right, thank you. Just shared my slides. Can you see that?
Yes, we are able to see.
Okay, thank you. So I think we've had a very interesting conversation on digitization just before this presentation. So very insightful. I think not only digital journey needs to start with the customer in focus, but at some point it needs to move towards the internal employees. That was one message that I got from Mr. Prasanna. And also a lot of back-end processes need to be digitized to have employees see the benefits of the digitization. In this whole digitization focus towards customer no-touch journey, we should not miss out the employees. That's a key part. And being able to really manage the internal stakeholders, the partners, and the employees as well in this digital journey is very important so that they see the same experience of improving the working conditions as they make sure that the customer is serviced completely digitally. So with that in mind, I'd like to start a discussion on Dasmile. So Sumosoft, a brief background, we've been in business for 20 years and we have worked with the BFSI sector in India for more than 15 years. And based on that experience, we have kind of created this platform to digitize some of the core touch points that happens with customers from internal staff. So if you look at the core issues that we face with managing feet on street, the current scenario in a lot of places is the core systems are internal, the ops teams manages the access to it, works with partners via emails and Excels, talks to vendors using emails and Excels, and to the sales team as well, to some level, external sales teams like DSA. So this puts a lot of pressure on the ops team or the credit team to kind of move things and get a really good customer experience. The other scenario that we have seen is end-to-end enterprise mobile solutions have been deployed. These are core systems that are mobile enabled for teams to utilize, but they are very low on flexibility. When you have a new product to be done, when you have a new workflow to be implemented, they are very rigid. They are high implementation time. It takes time to reach the market. And today with competing with startups, I think that's an area that you need to be very careful because they are very agile. The another area around core system is that it's all user-based license. With the push towards the rural, your staff and your partner ecosystem really grows, and giving user-based licenses is out of the question. And obviously, the high capital cost to get the system in place. And on the people side, you have training time when you have a really detailed core platform that they need to use, and it's been exacerbated with high churn that typically happens in a growing industry. And growth has always been the big plus point for BFSI sector, but there is a side effect to it with high churn. The result, I think the teams use workaround all the time. They fall back on emails and Excels, and you have the same issue. What we are proposing is a platform that allows you to ideate, build, deploy any feet on street field process. And that's why we call it Dasmile. Dasmile is the number 10 followed by mile. So we look at 10-mile radius where your feet on street or your field staff can quickly touch point with your key stakeholders, the customers, and get your process moving. It's a SaaS platform. Again, there are very simple create, allocate, execute, report. This is the 4 key stages of any workflow. We have APIs built in with core systems, which can pull data, push data, and get your job created on our system, on our platform. It can get allocated using really auto allocation logic or a manual allocation or a predefined allocation. It goes to the people on the field directly. There could be a sales team, a credit team, a partner, a vendor, an internal team. And then you can watch in real time what's happening, any exception that is available to be resolved. All of that stuff is real time. So this kind of ensures that your internal team is working as efficient as your customer journey. Diving in a little bit more detail into what the platform offers. On the create side, as I mentioned, you have API calls. So you could instantaneously create a request. If you need Excel-based job creation, that's available. You can upload an Excel and get it done. On the manual side, you can create manual jobs as well. In the allocation, we have smart rule-based allocation. based on geography and geolocation, or by team managers, team leads, we can do job allocation, or by agency. So we've built in agency modules where your subcontracted agencies could manage it as well. On the execution side, this is where the key power of the platform comes in. It's a cross-platform mobile app, and it's a dynamic app. So it's real time. So if you change anything on the server without any deployment, it changes on the mobile. It's dynamic forms. We're able to capture audio and video, which is real proof is in the pudding. You can, like somebody mentioned, they need to do a factory visit. So you could completely do it on a video, audio, and not leave it to a person who is doing it on your behalf and then wonder whether the information is accurate or not. We can do route tagging, geolocation, and GPS on the execute side. And on the reporting side as well, powerful real-time status reports, exception management, API interfaces to export data, any kind of system that you needed back in. And there is a maker checker process if you need, review approval process, and then the complete reporting and escalation management is inbuilt. So you don't need to pick up the phone and talk to people, and you don't need to send emails. All of this is managed within the system. What's the business value that we bring to the table? We have seen that the turnaround time is reduced to a few days from few weeks in a lot of processes. If it's few days, then it becomes few hours. Improve first time right. This is a challenge that I've seen over the last 15 years in the industry, is that there is so much of exception management, and first time right is a very difficult challenge to achieve in a manual process. So when you have systems in place, we have seen a significant jump, close to 30% jump in improved first time right. Superior customer experience. The overall customer service goes up because the time taken to deliver a service to the customer reduces substantially. And this is where I think most of the systems lack, is visibility and exception management. Typically today, people's inbox is their work queue, but it should not be. So visibility and exception management is key to making any business smooth and digital. And the last one, which is a key differentiator here, is that we are on transactional pricing model. We don't have a per user licensing. It's a transactional licensing model. We know India, the number of users are very high. However, the transactions are limited. So we've taken that into consideration and priced it in a transactional model, which makes sense for the kind of transaction volumes that we do, and not for the number of people in any business. Wanted to take you through a few case studies. Mandate queuing case study which we implemented. The basic objective was to get the mandates queued. These are NASH mandates. So there are a lot of issues around delayed mandates. I know this itself is being digitized, but this particular use case was very critical before the digitization. There was a huge loss of revenue because you couldn't really bank the EMIs, and the cost of collection through collection agency was pretty high. And there were typical TAT of 2 to 3 weeks to kind of get a new mandate updated and back into the system. So what we were able to do, we were able to real-time allocate to the right person in the field to collect visibility of status, including the time to kind of bank it, so that the person is really understanding the business impact of it. And we were able to get TAT to about 48 hours to get a new mandate back. Business value, reduced cost of collection, and really reduced the revenue leakage in terms of not being able to bank that particular EMI. The next use case is pretty recent. It's a vehicle evaluation case study. There are a lot of new models coming up in terms of what kind of valuation needs to be based on, and what kind of products that needs to be sold, especially for used. So here the problem was that it was a used vehicle, and it was a very specific kind of vehicle which did not have valuators available all across the country. So again, to get somebody physically to evaluate was expensive. It was time consuming. It led to customer dropping of interest. And then obviously you didn't have any skilled people all across the country. With this, we were able to capture video, audio, images with the engine running of the vehicle. And we were able to do it centrally. And this has worked wonders. And we were able to do quick decisioning and then convert the customer. Again, growth in business and reduced cost of valuation is what the customer saw. And then their business has been able to grow even during the pandemic side. Another use, this is a very, very common use case, personal discussion and field investigation. Again, this is required in involved cases where the loan sizes are much larger and they are business loans. But here again, the issue with the pandemic coming in and travel being restricted, we were able to implement a solution like this for a very fast and accurate field investigation and personal discussion. So here again, a lot of banks and NBFCs depend on partner capability, but the partners are not very flexible to change the particular application or the kind of forms or the kind of questions. That's a challenge. And for those questions to be really asked in a very effective manner. And then it was time consuming to fill these large forms from the feet on street kind of people. What we implemented was we implemented a capability to completely allow partners or internal teams. So it is configured that way. And we were able to again capture video, audio, and photo for interactions. This enabled real proof for what the discussion was all about. And the audio enabled the investigator to actually record a lot more things than what he could type or note it down in a piece of form. And then it could come to a central administrator who would actually review it and make sure that everything is available. And if there's any query, there's a query management system within the mobile app. And they could really work interactively and get the complete thing done pretty quickly. And obviously, this kind of led to a very, very fast process. We were able to achieve customized questions being asked at the right time and at a lower cost. So that was the kind of use case we were able to implement. And this is a pretty new one as well, the document scanning case study. Today, people are going to the web-based LOSs, which are again SaaS models. But getting documents onto the system was proving difficult given the current situation of connectivity and remote customers. So we built a use case where we were able to, again, the LOSs could not accept mobile-based scan. They had to be scanned on desktops. The size was an issue, and they had to come back to the office to do that. With Dustmile, what we were able to do is capture documents on the mobile and directly upload it to the LOS through either a DMS or through an API with compressed images that was required to be transferred to reduce the bandwidth requirements. And again, we were able to do disbursement the same day for files that were taking much larger, 2 days, 3 days. Faster disbursement, enhanced customer satisfaction, and real growth in business. So these are the kind of case studies that we've been able to implement. So as you can see, this platform has been implemented in a varied areas where you need to control, manage, and track what's happening on your field, whether it's an internal team, a partner, or a third-party vendor. So we'll be more than happy to look at any of the processes that you may have, which can revolutionize the way your feet on street team or your remote teams work and to deliver superior customer experience. Please reach out to us on the email ID or on our website, www.dustmile.com, and we'll be more than happy to discuss your requirements. Thank you.